everyone, I bought this from Target several days ago. It was on clearance from 169 to 118, and I did some research and I couldn't find any thing about it. And it's weird. It says new on the box right here, but when I look at the other search for the Target's website, doesn't exist. I searched the UPC code. It does come up, but it doesn't really give me anything. Like it's like brand new, but I don't know why it's on clearance if it's brand new. Anyway, the DPCI on this one is, there's the DPCI. It's 085000266. As you can see, the price is 169. Now it's 118, so it's 30% off. And this one has a true HEPA for filtration, and this removes 99% of the allergens and pollutants for dust, spit, dander, smoke, mold, spores, ragweed, grass pollen, dust mites, and debris. It comes with a one whole true HEPA filter and one odor reducing carbon filter. And I already took it out from the box. So I already took it out of the box. I already put the filter in there. Anyway, this one has here's the buttons on this one. There's the power and 4-speed settings for the fan, timer, and an ionizer. And there's a filter, like if you need a new filter. This one uses the G filter and an F filter. For the HEPA filter is F. For the carbon filter is G. And it's designed for large room up to 381 square feet. It's not too big. And the filter should last you 12 months, so 1 year. So if you want to change the filter, what I did earlier was I put the filter. Here it is. So to change the filter, this is what I show it to you. Pull, turn, pull, turn, pull, turn, pull, turn. And I've been using this for 3 days already. It's here already. And I believe you can vacuum this one. This is just a regular filter. This is the carbon. And this is the HEPA filter. Got hair already in there. Get in there. And we've been using it for 3 days, and so far it looks like it's working what it's supposed to be doing. I breathe better with it. Get algae, so it helps with my allergy. And I'm gonna test it for sound, so you know how loud it is. Put this thing back. And this is the back, just plain. So I'm gonna plug it in, and you'll listen to it. So the fan is about 5 feet away, and I'm gonna turn it on so you'll hear how loud it is. Power on. That's let me start from one. That's how much sound it is for 1 speed. Now for double the speed. Triple the speed. And 4 times. It's loud. You want it full blast, it's loud. Closer. Now we're closer to it now. Here's what the light looks like when it's on. Ionizer on. Timer. number if you want it at 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, or off. This is at 4 speed now. As I said, this is the Holmes air purifier through HEPA filtration. Model number is HEP769, and so far it's working pretty good for me. So I have no complaints yet. Hopefully it'll last longer than my other air purifier. But it's, if you have some allergies, especially now that the pollen is high, you should get one. It really helps. All right, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.